हेलो, नमस्ते, हैप्पी बर्थडे, अभिनंदन सबका। खुश रहें आप सब, हंसते रहें, हंसाते रहें। मैं आपके साथ हूँ, आप मेरे साथ हो। शुक्रिया।
Hello, Kanav. A very happy birthday to you, Rita. May God bless you.
Happy birthday, Kanav. God bless you. God should give you very, very, very long life and happy life. Sabha should look after you nicely, and you should give her proper love. Khatam.
Hi baby.
Happy birthday, Kanav.
Happy birthday beta.
May God bless you with so many things, whatsoever you wish.
God gives you everything which you desire, darling. Well, love you, love you.
Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear one. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Kat.
From good friends.
Have a great 30th birthday.
From old friends and you.
See you guys soon.
Be good.
Happy birthday.
Go with you. And
Wishing you a very happy birthday, dearest, loving, precious Kanav. May God bless you and give you a very long and a happy life. May all your desires and dreams come true. These are very difficult times. We wanted to be there with you. But nevertheless, our love and blessings are always there with you. May God bless you, dearest darling Kanav. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kanav. Happy birthday to you. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kanav. Happy birthday to you.
थोड़ा पैप अप करें?
Why not? Let's go for it.
We love you, Kanav. 30 years, 60 years, 90 years, you will always be my baby brother. I don't think you will ever know how much I love you. May you be blessed with whatever you want in life, with excellent health. May God fulfill all your dreams. Have an amazingly blessed year. We love you and we love you.
Love you always.
A very happy birthday, bhai. I wish you many, many more to come. I thought before your wife gets angry at me for not sending the video, which she will within, I think, a few hours. I thought I'll wish you a very happy birthday. Wish you a very happy 30th birthday. 30 is the milestone, and I'm sure that it would be a brilliant year for you. We may not be able to celebrate because of it being the corona lockdown, but I'm sure that as soon as it opens, we will have a lot of fun. We will party it, and like all celebrations, we will go out a lot. We will eat a lot, gain a few kilos, but that's okay. And I wish that you and Sabah get and achieve everything that you set your eyes at. And I'm sure both of you will be very happy, and you will be blessed that whatever you want, you will get it. All my love to you and Sabah. Have a very happy birthday. Lots of love.
Happy birthday, Kanav.
हैप्पी बर्थडे भैया. हैप्पी बर्थडे कनव. गॉड ब्लेस यू बेटा.
ओके, हैप्पी बर्थडे नंबर 1.
Hello, Priya. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Sing Zia. Happy birthday to you. Zia sing. Happy birthday dear Kanav. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Say happy birthday Zia. Say happy birthday Kanav. Happy birthday who? Happy birthday Kanav. Kanav. Very
Pupa.
good. Kanav Pupa.
Pupa. Say.
Have Opa.
Upa.
Happy birthday बेटा.
Wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kanav.
Lots of love.
Happy birthday, dear Kanav. Long fellow, long, happy, healthy life. God bless you in all His ways.
Hello, Kanav Chachu. Happy birthday. Enjoy yourself. Have a lovely day.
Happy birthday, Kanav. Hello, Kanav. We wish you happiness and success in life to come. Have a great day. Bye.
Hi Kanav, a very happy 30th birthday. Many happy returns of the day and have a good blast.
Hi Kanav. Happy birthday beta. God bless you as you celebrate your 30th birthday today. I am sure Sabah, mom and dad will do everything to pamper you and make you have a wonderful day, like this beginning of the day where you will be seeing all of us wishing you with all the smiles and love, and going to miss out on all the goodies that will be prepared for you. Have a wonderful day and God bless you as you enter this new year of your life. God bless. Love you lots. Bye.
Bye.
A very happy birthday to you, dear Kanav. My sweet little brother has turned 30. Wow. You know, Kanav, when you were small, you were such a cute and adorable child that you always got away with all your naughtiness. And once I remember we were playing cards, Montu, Manu, Vani, Palak and me. And बहुत तंग कर रहा था तू हमें, क्योंकि एक तो it was sleep time, plus you couldn't join us, so being left out बार बार आ रहा था. तो हम में से किसी एक ने कहा कनव को तो कीड़ा चढ़ गया है, एंड तू थोड़ी देर बाद आया, sat in a corner quietly and said, बेबी दीदी अब ना मेरा कीड़ा चुप हो गया है. And we really laughed and laughed. You were so cute, and your fear of that He-Man wala line we can never ever forget. So now turning 30, my God. From a cute little kid to a handsome young man who now has a beautiful wife, Sabah. What a lovely person she is. So all the very best in life, Kanav. Happy birthday once again.
Dearest Kanav, from our home to yours, a very, very special toast for your special 30th birthday. Hoping that it will bring you much happiness and a lot of joy in the years ahead. Wish we could have been there with you today, but we will be with you in thoughts with lots of love from Mamani. Cheers, a very, very happy birthday. Over to Mom.
Hi, Kanav. Sorry, that's my throat. Kanav, many happy returns of the day. So nice that you crossed 30. Now let's see you go to 90. All the best. Have a wonderful evening and a long and happy life. Cheers.
and happy birthday. Have a blast.
Hi Kanav, wish you a very happy birthday. Can't believe you're 30. It's been 30 years since I first held you in my arms. Yeah, I got to hold you when you were just day 1 old. Otherwise, we children were not really allowed to touch the newly borns. And I also remember that your name is actually suggested by me, and that Pandit ji had 2 letters for the name, for the child's name, and Chachaji picked up K and finalized Kanav. So for those 2 special reasons, you are very, very special to me, and yes, other reasons too. Okay, so you have been one of the cutest kids, our Home Alone wala kid, and I have very fond and vivid memories of you and our time spent together, Palak, you, me, Didi, Montu, Manu in Sector 15. Just wish you lots of love and happiness and success in your life. Have fun. Love to Sabha. You have a wonderful and beautiful wife out there. Have fun, both of you. Have a blast. Take care. Love you. Bye.
Hi Kanav, wish you a very, very happy birthday, beta. May God bless you with all the health, wealth, and may all your dreams come true. We are missing the party today, but as soon as things become better, we'll get together. Have a great day.
Hi Kanav, wishing you a very happy birthday, son, with a lot of health, wealth and happiness. We are so close but yet so far. Hope to meet you soon as the lockdown opens.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, ha ha. Happy birthday to you, ho ho. Happy birthday, dear Kanav. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my little bro, the youngest of all. तुम सबसे छोटे हो, but समझ में सबसे बड़े. God bless you, भाई. Always be happy. Love you.
Hi Kanav, wish you a very happy birthday. Have a long, happy and prosperous life. Stay blessed always.
Hello Kanav and Sava. How are you both? Many happy returns of the day, Kanav. Feeling pleased to wish a wonderful birthday to our handsome Kanav. You are such a beautiful person inside and out. Happy birthday once again. May God bless you both. Love you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi Kanav, happy birthday. God bless you. Have a lovely day. Enjoy yourself.
Hello Kanav, happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. Hope you'll have a blast. Sabah, thoda spoil karna. Enjoy you guys. Lots of love.
Bye.
Hey Kanav, first of all, wish you a very happy birthday. And I just want to tell you that you are the most amazing person I've met. You are very warm, very affectionate. And पहली बार मिलके बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं लगा कि we are meeting for the first time. And wishing you the best of everything. Have a wonderful life. You have a wonderful wife. And she has a lot of surprises waiting for you on your birthday, I guess. I think the way, she's been planning it all. And for me, both of you look like a Disney fairy tale, with the prince and the princess. And I wish it stays the same forever and forever. Lots of love. Take care.
Happy birthday, Kanav. Welcome to 30s Club. Wishing you best of everything.
Hi Kanav, happy 30th birthday. I hope today is the day when Sabha would be pampering you, because normally it's other way around. In all your pictures, it's you who's pampering her. But hopefully today, it would be your turn to get pampered.
That was so mean, isn't it? Happy birthday, Kanav. Hopefully everything opens up by next year, then we can all celebrate together.
Say Neve, happy
in
birthday.
Australia. And
Say
from
Neve.
Neve, happy birthday, Master G.
Happy birthday.
Have a great day.
Bye.
Hi Kanav.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday. God bless you with long, happy, healthy
Happy
life.
returns of the day, Priya. I wish you all the success, love, and happiness in the world. See you soon. Bye.
How are you? Happy birthday to you. May God bless you, Kanavya. Liban has a special message for you, Kanavya.
Happy birthday, Kanavya. Happy birthday, my tomato. May God bless you and you achieve all the things in your life that you want, and many, many happy returns of the day.
Bye.
Hi Kanav, happy birthday on this really great, wonderful, landmark birthday. I send you messages of love and prayers that everything that you have ever wished for yourself may come true. May you reach the heights in your achievements, and may you prosper in everything that you do. I pray that your life partner Sabha is always beside you to guide you and to love you and to take care of you. God bless you, son.
Dear Kanav, happy birthday. So what in case we are not able to get together and enjoy the birthday party, but we will get together. That doesn't mean that you will take advantage of coronavirus and you will evade the party. Party is our right. We are going to have it. In any case, I am having the tea on your name. Happy birthday. Enjoy life. Thank you.
We love you and we
A very, very happy birthday to you, my dear Kanav. May God bless you with all the happiness, success, and good health that you wish for. I wish that you enjoy your special day today and make the most of the special times that you get to spend with each other. Wishing for many, many more such happier times for you and Sabha together and as a family. My best wishes to all of you. Enjoy your special day.
Hi, Kanav Bhaiya. Happy birthday from Geneva.
Many, many happy returns of the day, Bhaiya. Love you.
Hello Kanav, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday. Have a wonderful day.
You are very, very happy, healthy and joyous 30th birthday, Kanav beta. It's a landmark year in anyone's life.
इसी की हिंदी कनव, तुम जियो हजारों साल, हर साल के दिनों 50,000। बहुत जल्दी ही मिलते हैं कोरोना वायरस के बाद। तुम जितने लंबे हो, कम से कम उतनी लंबी देर तक खूब पार्टियां करेंगे, कम से कम 30।
With the social distancing.
Happy birthday! Wish you all the happiness one can ask for.
Have lots of fun. I miss you all.
A very warm happy birthday regards. I hope you enjoy yourself. We miss you and hope to see you soon.
Bye.
Hi Kanav. Wish you a very 30th happy birthday. Now you finally become an uncle before me. So yes, I can say you are an uncle for another 27 days. And I'm very happy for that reason. And God bless you with choicest blessings. And let's wait for your Chota Kanav very soon. Waiting for the Chota Kanav. And now Mehak wants to wish you.
Happy birthday, Kanav.
And lots of love from both of us. Take care. Bye. Happy birthday.
Bye.
I'll have the cake once we meet, okay?
Hi Kanav, a very happy birthday. We have some of the oldest and cutest memories together. I mean, from teenage when we were more childlike, more immature, to growing old together, getting jobs and getting married. The journey was wonderful with you and Sabha. You'll always hold a special position in my heart as you're my best friend's soulmate. So, always. And you've always supported us. That's the best part, Kanav. You've always supported us, our friendship, and helped it in getting better with time. So I'm always thankful to you for that. And I'm always thankful for all the things you've done for me, guided me and supported me. Thank you so much. And you're a wonderful person in and out. Happy birthday once again. And I just pray to God that you achieve heights in your career. And yes, I'm waiting for the good news soon. So yes, I'm waiting. Bye-bye. Have a great day.
Hey Kanav, happy birthday. Wish you lots and lots of success and happiness. Enjoy your birthday. एक बार लॉकडाउन ख़त्म हो जाए फिर आ रहा हूँ मैं पार्टी लेने.
Happy birthday, Kanav. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kanav. I hope you have a great day and I hope you have a fabulous year ahead. Happy birthday. Hi, Kanav. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday and I hope you have the best one ever.
Hey, Mr. Jain. Oops. Hope everyone knew about this nickname of yours. We used to call you back in the days. Well, no question why I used to call you that. Anyway, if you still have any question, it was because of your height. So that solves the mystery. Any which way, Mr. Kanav Jain, you're an amazing person. It was fun knowing you right from the beginning and we had our amazing cricket rivalries. You, Desi Lasat Malinga, and I am the Desi Sachin Tendulkar, obviously winning it all. And what else to say? Just be the same always. Keep smiling. And wish you a very happy birthday, buddy. Enjoy your day to fullest. Hope to party soon. Bye bye.
Wish you a very happy 30th birthday. This is just the start of another amazing decade. Take care.
Happy birthday, Kanav. Take care.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार हम ये गाएं, तुम जियो हजारों साल कि यही है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, oh, happy birthday to you, oh, happy birthday dear Kanav. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kanav. Have a great year ahead. God bless you. Come to Bombay soon and let's plan trips to Singapore.
Happy birthday, Kanav. You and Sabha are one of my first friends in Chandigarh and I'm so happy I got to meet both of you. Wishing you lots and lots of love, happiness and all the good things in the world.
Hi Kanav, here's wishing you a very very happy birthday. May this day bring you all good things, lot of joy, happiness, and may this year be extremely good to you. And I will see you once this is over. Happy birthday.
Very happy 30th birthday to the best husband ever. I know it sounds cliche to say you're the best thing that could happen to me and you're the best husband ever. I love you the most, but you know you're the best husband. Not only the best husband, but one of the best human beings under the sun. Everybody was kind enough to send their videos on time, and in spite of the time differences, everybody sent their videos. It clearly shows how much they love you and care for you and value you. I feel so bad that we couldn't buy your birthday present this year. Normally, we've always bought it like months in advance. But I promise the first thing we're going to do after this lockdown opens is buy your birthday present. May God bless you with health, wealth and happiness. The wealth, of course, you earn and I spend. I know, that got a bit too much. But yeah, you actually are the best thing that could have ever happened to me and I love you the most. Thank you for being what you are. I know every day, with each passing day, you love me more. Like today you love me more than yesterday and tomorrow you're going to love me more than today. So I feel blessed to be your wife. I feel blessed to share my life with you. Thank you for being what you are. Love you the most. Happy birthday once again.
दोस्ती बड़ी हसीन है, बिना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है, कोई तो हो राज़दार बेगुनाह तेरा भला, कोई तो हो राज़दार.
Wish you a very happy birthday, bro. May God bless you and to all your wishes may come true.
Speak.